Hey, this is Maycen with Net Audio. We have a 2026 Mega Cab today. We're going to be talking about the amplifier integration in it, doing the 2500, the 3500s, the Mega Cabs, the Crew Cabs. It's all of it today. So we're going to be showing you the location and how to get to it. So what you're going to need for this project is a pry tool and a 7mm on a drill. So we're going to get down here lower. There's two 7mm right here. Just take those out real quick. This pops. So I like to get my pry tool. Just get right here, pop it right there, pop this one, and then the rest just kind of clicks out. So pulling down on it. So you're going to disconnect this piece right here. It's just a little light. And then this one, just like that. Then you're going to get your pry tool. You're going to come over here on this side, flip it around. You're going to hit pry on this OBD right here. And you're going to get it off like that. Then from there, you should be able to just push like that. And it pops right out. Take the hood release off. You have to flip this over, pull this up, get our little guy. We're going to pop it like this, come all the way forward, just push it to the side. There we go, push it to the side, and it's going to pop up like that. Then we pop this right here, pull it to the side, and then it's out. And then it's all the way out of the way. Then we're going to take right here on this side panel. Makes it just a little bit easier to see what you're doing. Just pop it like that. And you'll actually be able to see it from this little picture that I'm going to be talking about and pointing at. You might be seeing what I'm looking at now, but all your access points are going to be in here. So it's all the way at the very top right here, and it's fun to get to on these trucks. So the ANC is right here. It's my little bypass harness. It plugs into here and then goes into two wires and plugs back into it at the very top. It's a very top plug. It's a very top black plug. And then your actual amplifier integration is on these two bottom plugs right here. They are right here. So your gray plug is right here, and then your white plug is down here. So with the help of the AP4CH42 and updating it with the firmware, we can use our return harness to return to the dash, doors, roof, and center channel. That's it for me. Check us out next time.